there's unicorn food.
That's weird.
Unicorn magic.
Mystery. Instructions! Not that I'm excited, but instructions.
This one, that one.
Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh god, that's big.
Guys, do not do this in the video. This is just fine.
So measuring cup.
Sorry, that's there's a pretty one.
I got a hamburger! I got the quick hamburger! I'm just kidding, I don't know what her name is. That's something that's giant food.
I have a unicorn. I have a unicorn.
That looks nice.
What is
Look what I got!
What is that?
I got a cup.
This is how she looks like. There's something in it? What the heck is that?
Jess is a milkshake.
Oh, yummy.
You have a milkshake and I only have this.
Hey, have a milkshake.
I have soda.
Oh! Da-da-da-da-da-da. I was thinking that I dropped her and it flooded like this.
I have a hamburger. I got a hamburger.
I feel like very short.
So these are the instructions, you guys. So according to the instructions, it says we had to open the top. Check. So the second thingy, majiggy, instruction is put in water, 15 milliliters, and that we have what? Yes.
I'm scared.
So we didn't read the instructions well, so it said twice. So that means we have to put
Twice so water. What? I'm so
Sorry.
excited to mix them up.
You're such a silly little sister.
Our cousin Bernice makes a lot of stuff.
Okay.
But in Sally, she mixed them all together and made a gigantic slime.
Yep.
It looks cool, but like it's
Less talking, more making. The third instruction is putting unicorn food.
the whole thing.
Duh. What do you expect from this?
Mine's green is
Ooh, that's so cute. I'm done.
I think mine's like green. That might be it. So now we're gonna put the lid on and shake it for 1 minute. And then this.
Are you kidding me? 1 minute? What?
I feel like it could be an hour.
Finally.
No! It's stuck. Later.
Finally. step. Thanks to you, Daddy. Cameraman Daddy.
Oops.
Okay, so now we have to wait for 10 minutes. So you guys won't have to wait for 10 minutes because
Slimes. You evil slime.
you guys can just wait for a minute and there. Let's go. So we'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
So let's see what.
Oh.
Now the 6 instructions. Look at it, everybody. It's pink.
I love you, but mostly guys don't smell it.
It stinks. Don't smell it. Where's the golden spoon? Yay. Open your spoon.
No.
Where's the golden spoon?
The chicken bone.
Where will you sit? Okay.
Dumpling open. Dumpling open. Oh, that's better. Okay, mine's gonna be my slime. Okay. Ooh, it doesn't stick on us.
So cool.
And
Cooking.
cooking. Look.
Okay.
I'm putting it
The
back in.
next step is putting in a card magic. Are you sure, cameraman Danny? Are you sure you read the instructions well?
If you don't, I'm gonna chase you down the streets and I'm gonna smack you in the butt.
Read the instructions well.
Trade you.
Put it back in.
It farts. Here, look here. Look here. Hear it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Anyway, let's cut to the chase. Let's put the pen back on my hand. Squish.
How do you open this?
So we have to squish it on the hand and then grab the unicorn
I remember putting in the cup.
No, it says put it on your hand and then use the unicorn magic. It's hard to open a unicorn magic. I saw magic. See the magic coming out of the thing?
That's
Look at, put all the unicorn magic.
Can somebody open this one? Blowing.
I know my hand's going now. Beautiful moves.
I feel like I have a.
Really?
I'm nervous.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to
Whenever we're ready. I'm gonna mix it with the spoon.
Are you kidding me, Daddy? You missed another step! Because
You ruined it.
surprise scent!
Now you're gonna be grounded for a
We had to
whole
wait while we were mixing. Guys, do not miss this step because it's an important step. But the slime is already made, so we're gonna put 5 drops. And that's what it said. Hurry up with the one. Here we go. You got a spoon. Do your your job.
Is it good? Are you saying?
I smell it like vanilla.
4.
Did you say 5? I didn't put it. 4. Cool.
Smells so good.
Oh, it smells like vanilla or something. I don't remember, but it smells so good.
Smell it. It's more better. Smells like our old thing from Puerto Rico when we were born. It smells like Puerto Rico. Every single time I smell something or feel like it feels like when I was born.
Okay, so the last and final step is to put it in the hamburger or whatever you have.
Oh, I already opened it once. See, it's so easy. I'm gonna keep mixing them.
Open the butt.
Okay, I'm gonna
And then put it in the butt. It's like it's pooping. A poop, that's pooping. Poop. Get in there!
Okay.
Try getting it in there. Advice,
First crime.
just try to put it in here. Because if you can't, it's hard. That's why. Why, slime? Why don't you fit anymore?
I just start farting. You know what? Get in there!
Oh,
Ugh.
we have a unicorn spoon.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's easier.
Mine's already full.
I know. Get in there! What isn't the unicorn spoon working useless? So there was too much extra slime, so we had to take it out. And now we have to put it. And stand in.
I can believe this is so
It's done. Vanilla slime.
a mystery Puerto Rico smell.
So, we hope you liked this video.
Make sure you serve us.
So let's see how many stars we have before we close. So, how many stars do we have?
I give it a 100%. That's fine. You just need, I like this one.
Next, I think I'll give it like a million. Just because it was fun making it, and at the same time that my dad kept destroying the slime, but we still got it to work. But it doesn't fit the But
So,
So,
comment down
below.
below.
Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.